Hey friends, ready for a picnic? Let's pack our basket and head outside. We open the lid, it's time to prepare. With sunshine and giggles floating in the air, a picnic's not magic without tasty cheer. Let's pack it up, we're ready. Hooray, we're here! Pack, pack, pack it up, what will we bring? Juice and fruits and everything. Crunchy snacks and a sandwich too. We've got yummy things for me and you. One red apple, juicy and sweet. Two little bananas, a picnic treat. Three cheese cubes, four carrot sticks, healthy bites in a basket mix. Pack, pack, pack it up. What will we bring? Plates and napkins, everything. A blanket to sit and a book to share. A ball to toss through the summer air. Don't forget sunscreen, hats on tight, drink some water in the warm sunlight. We always clean up, we share and care. Picnics are better when kindness is there. Manny the meerkat leading the crew with Daisy the duck and Benny the blue. They laugh and play, then munch and munch, singing this song while they picnic and lunch. Pack, pack, pack it up, our bellies are full. But we had a picnic that was wonderful. Nature, friends, and a yummy spread. Let's do it again.
Thanks for joining me today, friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click for our next magical adventure.